Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're heading on a cruise this morning to go meet up with some friends and head to a meet. So let's cut to that. First thing I had to do this morning though is go pick up a friend, Hayden. Unfortunately, he didn't set his alarm. Looking at you, Hayden. Why didn't you set your alarm? Hi. Is Hayden up?
I doubt it.
Hayden, if you're watching this, set your alarms next time, bud. I missed the light, they're gone. Cause they're hauling butt too. And I was like, I know I'm not catching up to them. They're ripping it down that tunnel as soon as they get to it. So yeah, there was no way that we were gonna catch up. So we just, wow. Very cool. Danny's GT3 that we pulled up with, and Arias, or Arion's other 3RS that we came with, as well as these guys. No, Danny, get out of the YouTube video. Come on now. Hey. Yeah, these are pretty. Go ahead.
The Supercar is the most expensive car in this garage right now.
Yeah. I mean,
I think there's like two originals. I think both of them are.
Also?
I don't know. It's got something on the badge.
Oh yeah, it looks like it. 60th anniversary. Yeah. 60th anniversary. I mean, it's got a racing seat in it.
For the Texas Mile.
Miata. Porsche.
Oh, 911R.
Oh, here we go. Here's a 911R. This thing's crazy. This thing here.
Let me see what type it is.
And I also like the RX-7 that's sitting here.
Oh, look at the paint.
Yeah.
Oh, dang, I didn't
metallic.
even notice the paint.
Like sparkle too.
My dad used to have one like this.
Beautiful. Beautiful car.
But his was like tan interior.
And then we've got this RX-7. This thing screams. Rolls Royce.
Oh shoot, this is, oh.
Someone start something up.
Old Rolls Royce looks sick.
Is this this is great. Now, like if you look on the hood there, it's signed by all the cast of the Ford vs Ferrari movie.
So wait, what team is this for?
Porsche.
Porsche, oh yeah, there's the logo.
And there's a Lamborghini Countach behind you.
That's what I might go take a look at. Look at the rear
Actually,
tires.
I've never seen one of these in person. This is my first time seeing this in person.
I've never seen a Countach either.
Yeah, this is.
Look at his rear tires. Look how fat they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should buy like
He's got a friend with him, so he's gonna let him drive one. What's he bringing?
That's. I know. I mean, we were just looking at it. Yeah. It looks like a Day 2 Moss. I don't think it's a Lambo.
It's like a mini Countach.
Yeah. What exactly is this? You know?
It looks like a kit car to me though.
I know, it looks like maybe another Day 2 Moss and they just threw a wing on it and put a Lamborghini. No, it says it's a Lambo. What is this?
Here at 7 a.m. I was gonna send it all this on text.
What is this, guys? I don't know what this is. I have no clue what this is.
Yeah, I couldn't.
The Lamborghini I've never seen, I've never heard of. Crazy. Yeah, it was an amazing day. I can't wait to host another cruise coming soon. I think we're doing one next weekend, if I'm not mistaken, with Danny. So I hope to see all y'all there, and enjoy the video.